Check it out, wireless and wired CarPlay and Android Auto on your 2015 to 2018 Acura TLX. I'm Dave from Hamilton Motor Company. We're based here in Raleigh, North Carolina, and we provide custom designed solutions that put CarPlay and Android Auto right on your factory equipment. We employ all of our own in-house engineers, and this means our systems work as close to factory specs as possible. We're going to talk to you in this video about what it looks like. Of course, we're also going to have a full installation, pairing, and overview video. This system will put wireless and wired CarPlay and Android Auto right on your factory screen. At any time, you'll be able to long hold the back button here or the voice speech button on your steering wheel for 3 seconds to switch back to your factory Acura system. We're going to preserve your original XM, AM, FM, and factory Bluetooth channels. CarPlay will pair to your factory Bluetooth, as we'll show in our pairing and setup video. And streaming audio from CarPlay will come out of all of your speakers when you're using your factory Bluetooth channel. You'll also be able to have CarPlay showing while you use your original XM, FM, or AM radios. But CarPlay will not be able to talk into those factory sealed radio channels. Check it out. I'll show you your backup camera now. When you switch to reverse, that factory backup camera comes right up. And back to park or drive will bring you right back into CarPlay. Your factory backup camera will work just as it did from the factory, as well as any optionally equipped safety features. Whether you use Google Maps, Apple Maps, Waze, or otherwise, you'll have easy access to large, beautiful navigation. And you can see how much better it is to have maps here on CarPlay. We've precision calibrated this device to work with your factory microphone. That means whether you're making phone calls or talking to Siri, the other side has no trouble hearing you. We can use the voice speech button on the steering wheel to trigger Siri. Hey Siri, get directions to Crabtree Mall.
Getting directions to Crabtree. Starting route to Crabtree.
You can adjust Siri's volume here. And if you unpair CarPlay from your phone, on your navigation app, Apple Maps, you can adjust whether you want Siri to speak loud, medium, or soft. Whether you use Apple Music, Spotify, Pandora, the Sirius XM app, or otherwise, you'll have easy access to all of your songs and large, beautiful cover art. Any app with a CarPlay component will automatically show up here in CarPlay. This here is the split screen view where you can see your navigation next to your music now playing. And here is the widgets view. We believe Apple has more widgets coming soon, and this is an awesome feature. Of course, at any time, we can easily switch back to the Acura factory system. We're going to have a full installation video for this kit, as well as a really important video that shows you how to pair and set up CarPlay and Android Auto. If you're checking this out or just bought it, be sure to watch all of those videos. This system is backed by our 3-year warranty that we call the Hamilton Guarantee. We also have tech support based in Raleigh, North Carolina, available to serve you at 919-858-2890. I'm Dave from Hamilton Motor Company, and I'll see you in the next video.